Alexander, and today I'm going to talk about how to install RAM or upgrade RAM into a laptop. A lot of people will go to a shop, complain about problems with their computer running slow. Um, Typically, you may take it to Geek Squad or some computer specialist shop. They pretty much overcharge you for a job that's probably going to take about 2 minutes to do. So hopefully I can save you some money and save you some time as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of my old laptops to do this demonstration. Pretty much it's an old Dell laptop, and what you want to do is look right here on the back, the bottom of the computer, and look on a Dell. It will say M, which stands for memory. Um, if you have any other type of laptop, it's pretty much still going to be on the bottom. Shouldn't be hard to find at all. But what you want to do is remove the back part, and as you can see, I already have one stick of RAM in there, and we're just going to upgrade it with a 1 GB. So what you want to do is, when it comes down to choosing a type of RAM, you want to go to maybe Best Buy, Office Depot, maybe Office Max. Um, Pretty much just make sure you're getting RAM that's compatible with your laptop. One of the sales associates should be able to help you with that. Um, Not really a big deal. So make sure you get the right type of RAM. And what you want to do is, if you look here, you'll see that the RAM has ridges in it, and if you don't line those ridges up, it won't fit into the slot. So what you want to do is, I'll pretty much demonstrate this as best as I can. Um, just take it, make sure the slots are lined up, and it's gonna stick in there with it kind of sticking up like that. What you're gonna do is very simply just snap it down, and you're pretty much good to go. I mean, and that's the whole process. Once you load your computer up, the next time after installing RAM, it'll pretty much recognize the RAM and say the memory size has changed, and you just keep going forth, and you should not have too many issues as far as your computer running slow. Um, the thing is, you have to make sure you're getting the right amount of RAM. Sometimes we try to run too much information with a little amount of RAM. The common thing going these days is probably about 2 GB is pretty much going to get the average college student satisfied as far as computer speed. So I hope this has helped you. Like I said, it's a very simple process, and I mean, hey, you maybe can make some money on the side if somebody says they need to upgrade their computer with RAM. So I'm Gary Alexander, and that's all.